In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a product module to your marketing email in HubSpot. If you're running e-commerce campaigns or promoting specific products, this feature makes your emails far more dynamic, clickable, and revenue-focused. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know where to find the product module, how to add it properly, and how to customize it so it matches your brand and drives conversions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, we need to go to your email inside HubSpot. From your main dashboard, head to Marketing in the top navigation menu, and then click on Email. This will take you to your marketing email dashboard, where you can see all of your existing campaigns. From here, either open an existing email that you want to edit, or click Create Email to start a new one. Make sure you choose the drag and drop editor, not the classic editor. The product module only works inside the drag and drop marketing email builder, so this step is important. Once you're inside the email editor, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is your modules panel. You'll see different categories such as common modules, email modules, and e-commerce. The section we're interested in is e-commerce. If your account is connected to an e-commerce platform like Shopify or another integration, this is where the product-based modules will appear. Next, scroll within the left sidebar until you find the e-commerce section. Under e-commerce, look for Product Listing or Product Module. Depending on your HubSpot setup or theme, it may be labeled slightly differently, but it will clearly reference products. This is the module that allows you to dynamically pull products directly from your product library into your email. Now, simply click on the product module and drag it into your email layout. You can drop it into any section where you want the products to appear. For example, you might place it below a promotional banner, inside a featured product section, or near the bottom of your email as a recommendation block. Once you release it into position, HubSpot will automatically insert a placeholder layout for your products. After adding the module, it's time to configure it. When you click on the product module inside your email preview, the right-hand editor panel will open with customization options. Here, you can choose which product or products you want to display from your product library. If you have multiple products available, you can select a specific one or choose how many products to show in the block. You'll also be able to adjust the layout. For example, you can switch between a grid layout or a list layout depending on your design preference. A grid works well for showcasing multiple products side by side, while a list layout is great for highlighting details with more vertical space. You can customize images, product descriptions, pricing display, and even the call to action button. Make sure your CTA text is clear and action-oriented, like Shop Now or View Product. If your e-commerce integration is connected properly, pricing and product details can sync automatically, saving you time and reducing errors. Take a moment to preview your email after configuring the product module. Click Preview to see how everything looks on desktop and mobile. This is important because product layouts can appear slightly different on smaller screens, and you want to ensure everything looks clean and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured a product module inside your HubSpot marketing email. This is a powerful way to turn your promotional emails into revenue-generating campaigns without manually copying and pasting product details. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot marketing tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.